We are grateful to the generations of service members whose sacrifice has helped preserve the freedom that allow American manufacturing and innovation to thrive. Thank you for your service. Quantum Machinery Group is proud to celebrate America's 250-year anniversary alongside with the fabricators, manufacturers, educators, and innovators who keep America moving. As a special thank you, we have drastically reduced prices on some of our products. We have sets of Siegmund clamps, bolts, stops for only $250 plus $25 shipping. We're also offering a limited quantity on some of the welding tables and fume extractors for $2,500 plus $250 shipping. We got the 4x4 you see behind me as a bundle and the workstation as a bundle. Let's not forget about the air service fume extractor. $2,500 plus $250 shipping. There are limited quantities available. Go to weldingtables.com and click on the Shop for Specials link on top of our page for more details.